It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I got this lovely hair that I'm rocking. Okay, so this is a crochet braid and I use this brand from my beauty supply. It's called LoMe. So let's go ahead and see how I got this look. So guys, this is the finishing look. What do you guys think? So of the 5 packs I use like 4 and 3/4. This is how much hair is left. So I guess 4.5. I'll just say 4.5. But yeah, I love it. I love the colors. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I do, which is weird because I love the curls. I love curly hair. They look good on me. And I think it came out right, you know. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love like the color combination, like the 27 and the 350. It's just awesome. I like it. But yeah, so this is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to hit the bell for post notification. Alright, bye. Hey guys, so this is an update of the hair, how the hair has been doing. I've had it in for almost 2 weeks. And I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Oh my gosh. It's like I really love the colors and stuff and the curl pattern. But this hair is high maintenance. Like, for most of the time, this is how I've been wearing the hair in a bun because it's just easy to deal with it like this, you know. But the hair, it tangles. Like, no matter what I do, it tangles. It's like I don't have time for that. Like, I got work, I got school, and I don't have time to be putting too much, to have to deal with the hair, you know. I just want something that's like easy to manage, but this is not the hair. I'm gonna try to take it down so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And it has just been a mess. Like, I am ready to take it out. Ugh. Okay. Like, do you see that? And it frays up. It is like, my hair look like a bird nest. But yeah, so will I ever repurchase this hair? No. No, I won't. No. It's a no for me. It's a hard pass. Like, But yeah, it was really nice while I had it in. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Alright, bye.
It's a bad man.